Imagine a vacuum that cuts the cord, but keeps the power, and even uses your existing power tool batteries. This Depisuta Cordless vacuum cleaner promises exactly that, and it might just be the ultimate convenience upgrade for your cleaning arsenal. Right out of the gate, what really grabs your attention is its compatibility. If you're already invested in the BL18 Series 18V battery system, think Makita users, then this vacuum slots right into your life seamlessly. No need to buy another charger or battery. You just snap in your existing BL1815N, BL1820B, or BL1830, and you're ready to go. That flexibility is a huge win, especially when you compare it to being tethered by a cord. But does it actually clean? Absolutely. This isn't some weak little dustbuster. With a robust 125 Ah of powerful suction, it genuinely tackles messes. We're talking about pulling up stubborn dirt from carpets, making quick work of crumbs on the kitchen floor, and even handling pet hair with surprising efficiency. It's got that satisfying pull that tells you it's actually doing the job, leaving your environment pristine. The design is also quite thoughtful. It features a detachable 700 ml dust collection bin, which is a generous size for a cordless unit. This means fewer interruptions to empty it during your cleaning sessions, whether you're tidying up at home or giving the office a quick once-over. Emptying it is straightforward, keeping the whole process simple and efficient. And let's talk versatility. This vacuum comes equipped with 3 essential attachments. The crevice nozzle is an absolute lifesaver for those tight, awkward spaces. Think between car seats or along skirting boards. The round brush is perfect for delicate surfaces like upholstery or dusting shelves without scratching. And of course, the floor nozzle makes light work of larger areas. This adaptability means you're well equipped for almost any cleaning challenge, from deep carpet cleaning to quick spills on hard floors, or even sprucing up your car's interior. The adjustable nature of its use, thanks to these tools, truly makes it a multitasker. It's designed for wide applications, making dust removal on carpets, cars, furniture, and floors a much less strenuous experience. The freedom of cordless operation, combined with its powerful performance, truly caters to diverse cleaning needs effortlessly. So, what's the final word on the Depisuta Cordless Vacuum Cleaner? If you're already in the BL18 battery ecosystem, this vacuum is an incredibly smart addition. It delivers impressive suction, thoughtful design, and excellent versatility, making daily cleaning tasks genuinely simpler and more efficient. It's a powerful, flexible tool that truly enhances your cleaning routine.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.